This Frydek was transitioned from soil into LECA and PON, and then I stopped touching it. 30 days, 1 watering, and then nothing else. This is the part where most people panic. I didn't. On November 28th, I moved this Frydek from soil into LECA and PON with no drainage hole. This setup usually fails because people overcorrect. Too much water, too many changes, constant checking. So I did one thing differently. I stopped intervening. This is the same plant after the transition settled. What I'm watching here isn't color, it's structure. New growth only shows up once the roots are no longer stressed. These are new water roots growing into the sphagnum. This was a few weeks in, not perfect, but no decline. I didn't fix this plant. I stopped interfering. One watering, stable moisture, and then I left it alone. Once the roots adapted, the plant did the rest. Nothing magical happened here. I didn't fix this plant. I just stopped changing things long enough for the roots to adapt. I didn't chase leaves. I waited for water roots to establish. I filled it once. That same water carried it through the entire transition. No moving it, no testing, no reacting. This is what progress actually looks like. Over the next 60 days, the only thing I'm watching is root mass and leaf strength. Leaves size up after roots stabilize, not before. If I touch it now, I undo everything that worked. I didn't repot it again. I didn't flush it. I didn't change nutrients, and I didn't move it closer to the light. Once it was stable, I stopped intervening completely. Most plant problems aren't problems. They're impatience.